guys, what's going on? I just want to share you my first unboxing video, which is going to be a MacBook Air, and let's just get started. So I cut it up. Look how beautiful it looks already.
Okay, so let's talk about spec. So of course I got the 13-inch MacBook in a rose gold, as you can see, but it does come in 3 different colors: space gray, gold, and silver. The Apple website let you customize your Mac. I didn't know this, but then again, my last MacBook was in about 2010. But you can adjust the memory, the storage, the iCore processor, and a keyboard for additional cost, of course. So the main features include the iCore 5 processor, 8 GB memory, 256 SSD storage, and more. So just open up the box here. It comes with a USB-C port, which is on both sides. Either one can be added to the adapter. And da-da-da! Can't wait to show you guys how it looks. The screen is impeccable. Amazing. It even lights up automatically. Oh my god!
So once you put all your personal information, it is setting up, which is super great. I found out what this button does, and that's your Touch ID, so you don't have to put in a password. You could just put your fingerprint there, which is great. Some features that they have here is, unfortunately, they only have USB-C ports, so that's your charger. And that is also everything else. So there's just one for your headphones, your speakers here on the side as well. And what I had to do was get an adapter or a converter, which is I got from Amazon for 30 bucks. A 7-in-1 where, I'll show you. I'll use the USB port C here. Yep, right there. Plug it in. And then I'll put the micro, this is for microchips, another USB-C, your HDMI, and all of your USB. So for those who like to use a mouse if you're playing games and all that stuff, this is something that you might need, or unless you have a wireless mouse that you could connect via Bluetooth. Alright guys, that is all I got for ya. If you'd like to watch more unboxing videos, please let me know and what I should do. If you think I should expand my content to other stuff, please don't say beauty, because I have no idea what to do with beauty. Don't even ask me about hair. But thanks. Subscribe below, comment below what else I could do, and then I'll see you guys quite soon.